Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. So today is my first day back filming in I don't know how long. It's been a minute, so forgive me if I'm a little rusty, but we're gonna hop right into it. Today's sponsorship is brought to you guys by BeautyForever. This is how their packaging looks, and this is a wig from their Bye Bye Knots collection. Y'all know that's all the rave right now. And I have a 7x5 glueless lace wig. Inside your packaging, your wig will come packaged like this, and they did give me a wig band, wig caps, and some eyelashes that I will more than likely give to one of my nieces that like really dramatic eyelashes. I do love how they have their wig packaged simply, and this is BeautyForever on Amazon.com. So you want to get you a wig that will come in 2 days for an event, they got you. It comes with wig tape, which I think I might use today, and the wig is packaged really nice. Again, this is a 7x5 closure. It comes pre-plucked and bleached. Anytime a company takes the work off of me and I have to do no gluing, no bleaching, no plucking, I'm here for it. It's really a plop on and go unit. I'm going to trim the lace back some. Let me show you how the inside cap looks. Get a lot of parting space. We're probably going to do a middle part today. And I think I got either a 20-inch or a 24-inch. I'll link everything down below in the description box. It is a, let me get it right, it's a gradient effect ombre unit, which goes from black to chestnut brown. So I like. Let's go ahead and get her installed. Okay, quick outfit change. And if you guys are curious about this unit, this is a synthetic wig. I'll link the review either in the comments. I'll probably link it in the comment section as well as like on the cards, so you guys could check out that video just in case you're wondering what wig this is, because I've been wearing it for like the last 3 days and I don't want to take it off. However, let's get into this new wig. Oh, it fits so good. So good. Ooh. I don't know. Should I wear it? Y'all know how I feel about a good side part. So y'all can see how it looks. I love that it comes pre-styled for you as well. So, and it does have a slight chemical smell, but like nothing super crazy. I'm gonna push my wig cap back a little bit. I thought I was gonna wear it 100% glueless, but what I'm gonna do is add some bobby pins on the side. I'm gonna use my Got To Be Flex Insta Hold spray. I'll have my Amazon storefront link down below with the products that I use in it. comes with layers already. Y'all, I don't even think I'm gonna pull out my curling iron or my flat iron to add any curls. I think this is like ready to go. And I can tell it is 24 inches now that I brushed it out. So this is the finished look. And that lace in just a little bit more. I think I'm gonna go in and bronze my forehead because I didn't really do that too much since I knew I had to put this wig on. So just blending it up to the lace as well. I think we're done. Y'all excuse those cords. I got to get something to cover them. And my OCD is not feeling it. But you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. But I'm loving it. I love that I didn't have to pull out any hot tools. I'm about 5'2", 5'3", and this is how far it's falling on me. Let me stand up so you can see some different angles. Again, this is 24 inches, 150% density. The color is so soft, so feminine, and it's just gorgeous. I'm loving it. Ugh. Love the little layers. If you wanted to, you can go in and like cut them up to frame your face even more. But I really like this look. Super soft and sophisticated and just girly. Perfect for the summertime. So far, minimum tangling. The texture is more of a silky texture. The cap construction is like one of those cap constructions that will fit anyone's head. Smaller heads, medium and large. I feel like my head is like between small and medium. So it works perfectly for me, but if you do have a larger head, this wig will work for you as well. I'm loving it. Y'all gonna have to let me know how y'all feel about this unit down below. I think I'm gonna put my headband back on, or should I leave it like this? I might leave it like this and let it eat a little bit. And if I wear it tomorrow, I might do the headband. We'll see. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and thank you BeautyForever for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love this unit. Y'all did y'all big one with the color. Love, love, love. Feel free to leave comments down below and share this video with anyone who needs an effortless everyday style or a style for a special occasion. Again, this unit is from BeautyForever on Amazon. So if you have Prime Boo, you can get that wig in 1 to 2 business days. Cannot go wrong. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I am so excited. Y'all, it's been forever since I filmed, and I'm just feeling back in my element, and I love that for me. I love that for me.